My name is Sebastian Perez. I'm a student from Bachelor degree in foreign language with an emphasis in English. And in this video, I'm going to talk or share you about the pronunciation of some consonants and vowels with their respective APA symbols, beginning like this with the vowels. With for 5 vowel letters, there are several sounds to pronounce, some longer than others are little lesser than others, and of course some shorter than others. The vowels pronounce sounds is the following: E, E, U, U, E, E, O, O, A, 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 O. There is another group called diphthongs, which are characterized by going from the sound of one vowel to another in the same syllable. The diphthongs sounds pronounced is the following: ear, air, u, ow, o, a, I, o. And finally, we have the consonants. There are two types of consonant, the voice and the voice. And the voice are characterized by pain process that are moving to the back of the mouth to the lips. The unvoiced consonant sounds pronounced is the following: sh, s, sh, k, h. We have the voice consonant, the voice consonant, um, and the voice consonant are produced down to the vocal cords. The vocal cord is here. You can feel when you pronounce a voice or a vocal consonant. Uh, but you don't feel the voice consonant because it's a behind the mouth, because is air moving to the back of the mouth. Is no path for the vocal cords. No more the vocal cords is pass is moving to the back of the mouth. Uh, the voice consonant is produced thanks by the vocal cords. The voices consonant pronounced sound is the following: z, 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 j, z, z, k, mm, 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 u, w.